Hello everyone, this is Deanne from Dazzy D's with another head wrap tutorial. Today we're going to be taking a look at a solid head wrap. Just so you know, to prep my hair, I kind of have it flat, so you want to do as much as you can to flatten it out. I am not going to use my typical bonnet or anything to help my hair with the drying, simply because this style calls for a flat look. So you're going to take your head wrap as evenly as possible and you are going to tie it. So just one simple tie in the back really is all that you need. And this is like a great summer look, a date night look with some heels would accentuate it as well. So you're gonna take your two ends around to the front. I like a little bit of my hairline showing, so I'm gonna push it up, but I'm flattening it out as well. And you have that amazing summer look. You are blowing in the wind and fabulous. Next, for look number 2, you're going to add a little bit of texture. So you're going to do a 2-strand twist all the way down. As you are going down, just continue to twist, and when you get to the end, you are going to tie your ends together. You can also tuck your ends in, that would be great. And there you go. All right, we do have one more look coming up. So you're going to take what you have, and all you're going to do is you're going to wrap it around the front. So as I'm wrapping it around the front, I'm going to tuck it in the back. But just in case you were wondering, the duster that I am wearing is a Dazzy D's custom duster. Beautiful color, beautiful print. It'll go along with anything. You want to continue to shape it for your best look. You can tuck your hair in or leave it out. Have a great day, everyone. Remember, Dazzy D's is a celebration of culture and style.